Dominic from Addictive Desert Deigns. Today I'm going to talk about our joint venture with Gears 5 and Rockstar Energy. Rockstar Energy started with the release of a few special edition Gears 5 cans. With the purchase of these cans, you get a code that you can register to win a variety of giveaway prizes. The top prize is a custom-built 2019 Ford Raptor. We actually built two separate trucks for this promotion. The first truck was the promo truck. For that truck, we did our HoneyBadger line of bumpers, which is our most heavy-duty line of bumpers we make for the Ford Raptor. These particular bumpers are covered in AR500 bulletproof plating. For the suspension, we have upgraded Fox shocks, and we installed fiberglass fenders to help clear the 37-inch tires. We've also installed the matching roof rack, chase rack, and tire carrier combination completed with Rigid Industries lighting with red backglow. For the giveaway truck, we decided to do something a little more daily driver friendly. For this one, we kept the suspension stock and we kept the tire size stock. We did, however, carry over the same line of HoneyBadger bumpers, front and rear. And it's got the same rack setup as the promo truck. We've also wired everything with Rigid Industries lighting, complete with red backglow. We've given a spot in the bed for a full-size spare to be mounted. For the graphics, we turned to an artist that works closely with the Gears 5 team. He was able to hand draw some artwork for us that we turned into wrap files. Then we had our local installer come by and finish off the job. The contest is now over and we've picked a winner, so let's give away this truck.
There she is, brother.
Oh my goodness. Oh, nice. That thing is amazing. It is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Jesus. Oh my God. Wait, can I open it?
Go for it, man.
This thing is gnarly, man. Right? You got lights on the top and everything. You got the tire in the back. And this bumper's different, huh, too? Wow, man. This is like the coolest car ever. Oh, it's got the red in it too? Yeah. Oh, that's tight. It's so much bigger than I think. Cause like I see Raptors on the street, right? Yeah, I know. This is like the Jesus of all trucks, you know? This is like the best truck. Oh my God. I don't even know what to do, man, really. Like I'm just in shock.
All right, we're here with our winner, Jeffrey.
Yeah.
Go ahead and tell us what's up with this truck. Tell us how you won it.
I just played the Gears of War 5 game and entered the codes on the website, and this is what I got. Pretty stoked.
That is awesome. Well, here you go. Congratulations. Here's the keys to your Raptor.
Yeah.
All right.